I'm amazed with the power of letter form or a akshar. Imagine the two letters connect to form a word, and then a sentence, then paragraph, and then the entire language eventually has become a culture. And that's the power of this small, tiny akshar or a letter. Hi, I'm Nikhil. I was born and raised in Mumbai. I did my graduation in Applied Arts from Raheja School of Art, where I have learned about calligraphy and typography. After that, I did my post-graduation in graphic design from NID, Ahmedabad. Currently, I'm based out of Bangalore, where I have my own independent practice and studio. Calligraphy literally means the art of beautiful handwriting. And in my practice, I'm exploring and finding the new meaning of beauty through my own style, my own expression, and my own voice. Devanagari is an old Indian script in which many Indian languages are written, like Hindi, Sanskrit, Marathi, Marwadi, and also Nepali. Though I do calligraphy in both the scripts, Roman and Devanagari, but I'm primarily focusing on contemporizing the Devanagari script. Basically, I am revealing and exploring the inner beauty of the script using some conventional and unconventional tools like brushes, dip pens, ruling pen, and also like feathers, sponge brushes, coconut husk. So whichever tools are inspire me to create the artwork. My art is very much rooted in Indianness, though I lean towards the modern influences while creating the art form. Sometimes I use the text from shlokas, artis, verses, and sometimes I just purely play around with the forms of the letters. These my experiments, this my style or explorations. I hope it will appeal to everyone, including the younger generation, and to the global audience who may not be the familiar with the script.